I'm Imposter Tip. I'm back again. Today I'm going to practice another UI challenge from Frontend. The challenge is image carousel. We have to build a image carousel. We all know that a image carousel is a sequence of images that we can click and swap between them. So let's read the requirement and then we will implement that one. So let's start the timer. Okay, so here is it. Here it is. So requirement: the image carousel component text in an array of images. Here is the array of image with the URL and provided the skeleton code. Example, here is the example code. So layout and position in the image carousel should be centered on the screen with the maximum size of 1600 by 1400 pixel for 400 pixel, 600 and 400 pixel. Image should be shrink to fit in the carousel so that entire image is visible. Empty parts of the carousel can be filled with black. So if the image is size is not fitting with the image carousel, then we have to make a black border around it. If the screen weight is similar than the image, then the carousel should resist the image. Navigation: if screen weight is smaller than the small image, or if the image is greater than the width, then we have to shrink it to fit it here. Navigation: add the left and right buttons allow the user navigate. And then the buttons now allow the cycling behavior. And then add a pace button at the bottom. Directly jump over the pace as a fewer than 10. Animation and transition not necessary. For discussion they will be explored. Should only be on. For this question, a technical restriction: there should be only one image element and in the DOM at any one time. So let's go to that image carousel here. So now we have to make a design so that we can do it. Let's make it bigger. So first let's think about it. So we have a button. Left here is some arrow button and here will be a pizza that we can navigate to the exact image by clicking on this pizza directly, and also the arrow button will be will be back and forth for this. And now we need to make a design. First let's add a button here. Button will be, and so I don't know, we are getting a, let's make it as it is, so we don't have any icon here, so I'm using this one. So that's it. So will have these two buttons. Wait, is it in the bottom? Yep. So that's it. So let's make it container div. So we are dividing into this component. So let's add a class. Class name that will be carousel. So that will be like this. So that carousel, that's it. So we will add it later, but let's structure it properly. So that's it, and we will have another component that is named carousel page search. So that we need to build later. So let's add that here. Okay, that's it. So okay, here will be a carousel page that will always be here. So then we are not going to use that directly. We, as per the technical restriction, and that only images will be here. We are not going to use all of it. So instead of that, we will have a state that will determine which one is active. So const we will have on active image that will be used is state. Okay, that will be 0, and we have to import the state from return const. Oh, sorry. Okay, import this from React. Okay, that's it. So here will be that image what we have alt and source. Okay, what we need, we are getting it here. So now src will be images with active image and dot source. So we'll divide it into another property alt. And so for now I am adding it, so we'll have it. So now we will add a design, then that will be positioned here. So before that, let's make carousel page component. So let's create another thing that will const page button. Okay, that will be our thing. So paste button here. So the paste button will be circle dotted button. So here we will add that one. So return a button with that will be a button other than this. So we'll have a handler that handle click. We will get that on so that we can listen for that click event in here. So on click it will call our handle click method. Okay, that's it. So we will get here length, pressure length, that's it, or we can caps. So that length will have array length, not like this. Okay, so here is this. So that will have dot from length will be length dot map. Wait, it is causing error. Okay, oh, it is TypeScript. Oh, okay, I don't get it. Length will be number. I don't item return page button with this page button will be this. Here we need key will be item. No. Okay. 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 So handle click will be handle click length will be images dot length. Now we are getting it number. So we have it that index. So now we have to pass the handle click here. So we need that user to have a handle click function. Const handle click should be there. So set active item with value, that will get value will be a number. So that is it. So here we will use handle click with that, and here handle click will be a function return void, but head number value will be a number. Wait, handle click value will be a number, then we have to pass that handle click to with that id item. So we don't need that one, just we need to call that one. So that's it, handle click. So that's it. So we pass that handle click to that one, and here we have this button. So it is working, so we can change it. So 0 we already there. So and we also need active image here as well. So active image that one also needed here. Active image, okay, and here will be is active. So it is active will be boolean value. So if it is active, then we will have a different design. So active image will be a number. Active image will be a number, type of number. So here it is. So yep, we will have active is active will be active image equal item. If that match, wait, here it is. Okay, so now it is fine. So we will pass that active image index. So it is not that much clear here, so we will use that one, active image index. Wait, something went wrong, not defined. So here it will be, so it is active image index. So also change it here, set active image index. So this is our source, active image index, that is it. So now it is working. Okay, now we need to call that on pref, that will be handle pref action. Active image index, active image index. So now on click, so handle pref action const handle pref action, that will be the case. Here will be on next, on click, handle next action. So it will be our second one, next action. Okay, now we will do the similar thing. set active image index value. Okay, we have to, it can be a circular motion, so we have to make a thing. So like const new active index will be active index plus minus 1 minus 1, and that should be ampersand to our images dot length. So that is it. So here, so now we will get that to work like this way. So what it will do, so whenever we are doing minus, then okay, there we need some adjustment here. Okay, let me tell you later, just complete this one plus 1. So okay, so whenever we are doing minus, let's say we are at 0, then we do minus, then it will create a problem, right? Yep. So if I do, let's handle that case later. It is working. So 0th index is here. For this case it will work. Actually it is ampersanding on, but for the minus case, whenever we are at 0, then if we try to reduce another one, then it will create a problem. So how can I fix this? I have to think about it, like okay, how can I do it? So I'm minus 1, so okay, I can easily do it. I'm just checking it. Active index equal 0, then we can make it minus 1. So we will use that directly to move. We are resetting that images dot length minus 1 other than this one, so then it will work fine. So whenever is 0, I am at 0th index, then I am just resetting to that last one, so I am in the last one. So that's it. Then it will do minus. So I am getting that. So that's it. Okay, so both functionality are working fine. So let's add a little bit of styling so that we can have a better design. So for carousel, display should be flex. Okay, I think I had the correct color. Carousel. So that's it. So align item should be centered. So now we have it in the middle of the day. So we will have bit of gap here, let's say for 8 pixels. So now we have beautiful gaps here in between. Now we have to position that this one. So let's add another carousel image container, so that this will have position relative, and that carousel pacer, this will have position relative, sorry, absolute. So let's add those color to those elements. So image carousel, this will be class name carousel container. Then let's add this class name into what was, so this will be it. A container and pager. So that's it. Top to 0 lists. Okay. Top not 90%, so that 85% is good, and left to 50%, and translate x should be 50% or minus 50%. Okay, now it is centered. So that's it. Now we have to make the button pager button. Let's add pager button. Pager button will have border none. Let's add the color class name first. Okay, and carousel pager should have display flex as well. Okay, I think display flex. Wow. Gap 5 pixel, that's good. Again, and button will have height 8 pixel, width 8 pixel, border radius 100%. Wait, why it is not looking like a circle? I don't know. %, should have been make a circle. Now everything is working perfect, but the main thing is here I didn't style that is that image. So I need to style it properly so that it can fit everything. So with 600 pixel height, 400 pixel, I think it shouldn't be, this one should be background color as 00. Should be this one. Content fit. I forget about these properties. So this is our app. Okay, image content fit or something, some properties there. I don't know about that. css object fit with height 100% and object fit. Contain cover. I don't know why it is not working. With 100% height, 100% object fit cover, fill content. This one background size. Height would be auto. Okay. So object fit fill and auto 100% with object fit cover contain cover contain fill is good, so it should fill. If it is not fill, then we have to cover. Okay, let's compare it with what we have to fill. Okay. This is working as expected. Okay, that's good. Okay, I'm satisfied with this one. So let's close the video, and the review is that I didn't write any styling, but still I took almost 40 minutes, so it is not good. And also, while I was coding, I didn't make a proper steps how I am going to implement it. Actually, I didn't explain the solution. Actually, I was not aware that how I am going to implement or work, but I feel like that I should do this way, so I started working on it, and I don't have a proper plan that I made for this one. So that's it, and this is it. So I'm get any idea when I started working on something, how I can get a proper visualized solution or a step to think about it. Okay, I will find it out. So till then, take care, bye, see you later.